Ever pondered how rockets move in space? Well, today we're going to understand it with an exciting DIY balloon rocket experiment. So, buckle up for a fun-filled journey into the world of forces and motion. First up, gather these materials: a balloon, a drinking straw, some string or fishing line, a roll of tape, and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Cut a length of string or fishing line and tie it tautly between two stationary points in the room. This could be the backs of two chairs or a couple of doorknobs. Next, thread the drinking straw onto this string. Make sure it can slide freely along the length of the string. Now inflate the balloon. Hold the end tightly to prevent the air from escaping. Then, tape this balloon to the straw. Ensure the balloon points in the direction of the string. Ready for the magic? Release the balloon and watch it zip along the string, just like a rocket. But why does this happen? It's all thanks to Newton's third law of motion, which states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The air escaping from the balloon propels it forward, demonstrating the principle of thrust in action. Want to take this experiment a step further? Try using different sizes of balloons or varying lengths of string. Also, remember the key to success is to keep the string taut and ensure the balloon is securely taped to the straw. So what did we learn today? We discovered how forces and motion work and got a first-hand look at Newton's third law of motion. Wasn't that a blast? We hope you had as much fun with the DIY balloon rocket experiment as we did. Keep exploring, experimenting, and learning with us. And don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Wonder Kids TV for more educational adventures. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive.